morning everyone, it's Michelle from Buttercup Jewellery again, doing another little video for you. The thing that seems to have made the most difference recently to my work is my barrel polisher. So I've just done a little video of it spinning around and making a racket, and this is the barrel. I got this from Kernowcraft and it's brilliant. So all of my silver pieces before I set the stones go into here, and it makes them all beautifully shiny. And then the other thing I discovered was that you can buy different pieces to go in the barrel and different barrel polisher, and it can make them go to a satin finish. So it's a bit of a double whammy, and I love it. So I shall put some pictures on in a little while as well of the two different sorts of material that I use. So I use metal shot when I want to make everything shiny, and then I use these little ceramic triangular prisms to go in to make it satin. So I would thoroughly recommend a Kernowcraft barrel polisher if you want to make your things extra shiny. Have a lovely day. See you later.